Hello guys, welcome. So today in this video we are going to learn how to change the screen orientation of the Flutter application. So to change the screen orientation we have to use SystemChrome classes. So to use this SystemChrome class we need to import Flutter services.dart file. So once we have imported, and when we want to change the orientation we should call systemchrome.set preferred orientations. So we have four types of orientations. One is landscape left, landscape right, portrait up, portrait down. So whatever the orientation we need we can make that when we are pressing. So in this just look at here, when I press the button change orientation, so it is changing to landscape left, so it is coming like this. So if I again press this change orientation, so it is going to change the portrait up, so it is coming to like this. So like this way we can change orientation of the screen. Thank you guys.